everyone, it's me TGP Diwata, and once again, welcome back to my channel. And for today's vlog, I will be reacting to cover songs of Mission Souls, and these are Take On Me, popularized by Real Big Fish, and of course, ang kanila I Love Rock and Roll, published 6 months ago. Okay, so ayan, back to 80s na naman tayo, throwback 80s. Kaya naman, eto na, sa mga nagre-request po ng cover song na ito ng Mission Souls, eto na po yan, i-grant na po natin. Sana magustuhan nyo aking reaction video dito, kasi isa na naman ako sa mag-enjoy dito dahil kaway-kaway dyan ang mga Gen Xers. Sana mag-enjoy tayo dito. Let's go!
Wow, ang ito Wow, walang version, ang galing. Wow, ang astig nito, I love rock and roll. Wow.
I saw him dancing there by the record machine. I knew he must have been about 17. The beat was going strong, played my favorite song. I could tell it wouldn't be long till he was with me, yeah, me. And I could tell it wouldn't be long when he was with me, yeah, me. Singing, I love rock and roll, so put another dime in the jukebox, baby. I love rock and roll, so come and take your time and dance with me.
Wow.
He smiled, so I got up and asked for his name. Said, 'cause it's all the same. Say, can I take you home where we can be alone. Next we're moving on. He was with
Astig ni
me.
Neisha.
Yeah, me. Next we're moving on. He was with me. Yeah, me. Singing I love rock and roll. So put another dime in the jukebox, baby. I love rock and roll. So come and take your time and dance with me.
Ay ko yun! Ang husay talaga ni Neisha. Grabe, na-amaze ako.
Where we can be alone. Next we're moving on. He was with me, yeah, me. And we'll be moving on and singing that same old song. Yeah, with me. Singing I love rock and roll. So put another dime in the jukebox, baby. I love rock and roll. So come and take your time and dance with me. I love rock and roll. So put another dime in the jukebox, baby. I love rock and roll. So come and take your time and dance with. I love rock and roll. So put another dime in the jukebox, baby.
Tapos na.
I love rock and roll. So come and take your time and dance with. I love rock and roll. So put another dime in the jukebox, baby. I love rock and roll. So come and take your time and dance with me.
Wow!
Na-wonder kung bakit ang dami nag-request po ng ng cover song na ito ng Mission Souls kasi napakahusay na mapala talaga. At ang Take On Me, hindi ko inakala na bibigyan nila ng twist, no? Yung twist na na ang in-expect ko talaga yung way back 80s na kung ano yung nakasanayan natin pakinggan, pero nung gawin nilang rock version ito, napakahusay, ang sarap po sa tenga. Kahit nasabihin mo na sabay-sabay sila ng talaga nagpaligsahan sila sa pagtipa ng gitara, sa pagpalo ng drums ni Ice. Grabe, hindi ka maiirita na pakinggan kahit sabihin mo may pagka heavy rock yung dating nito, pero sobrang lamig at sobrang sarap pakinggan sa tenga kasi nabigyan nila ng napakalinis nung pagkakagawa nila dito, yung pagkakaareglo nila ng version nila na ito, and sobrang ko na-appreciate ito, Mission Soul. And itong I Love Rock and Roll, talaga namang kahit wala si Mami at si Daddy, apat lang sila, silang magkakapatid lang, caring nila, nadala nila at nagawa nila ng napakagandang version, o diba? At ang magkakapatid na to, walang nagdaigan, lahat ang huhusay. Syempre, si Stacy na napakaganda ng boses na mana-mana sa kanyang mami, and si Nases na napakahusay, hindi lang sa pagpipili ng keyboard kundi pati sa pagpili ng guitar. And of course si Nases na masasabi ko na one of the best guitarists ng na napanood ko talaga, namang at her age talaga masasabi natin napaka-professional na ng dating niya. And si Ice na kahit nasabihin mong batang-bata pa, pero ang palo naman palaging typing na timing at napakahusay. Imagine niyo, sobrang paano ko masasabihin ito, tuwing mapapanood ko siya, ang cool niya, palagi siyang may mga sometimes may costume pa siya na napaka-cool niya na talagang it makes him more adorable, okay? So, yan, anyway, ayan, sobra tayo nag-enjoy sa mga cover songs na ito at talaga naman back-to-back tayo kasi parang hindi tayo mabitin at mabigyan natin ng grant yung yung mga request ng ating mga viewers. Talagang hindi na kailangan na isa-isa, o diba? Dalawa na, kung dalawa para solid, para walang bitin. Anyway, if you want to enjoy more of the cover songs from Mission Souls, please don't forget to subscribe ang kanila po yung channel. Ayan, Mission Souls, mas marami pa po kayong cover song na mapapakinggan na talaga namang mai-in-love kayo. And if you enjoyed watching this reaction video at talaga namang napa-take on me at I love rock and roll din kayo, please don't forget to give your thumbs up. And if you are just new on my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to click the tiny bell button to get notified on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe also ang aking DJP Israel. Marami din po kayong mga reaction video na mapapanood dyan, o diba? Hinahabol na rin ako ng oras kasi kailangan ko na mag-start ng work, o diba? Bye bye everyone, hope to see you again on my next vlog. Take care always, and of course, ayan, thank you so much for always watching and supporting my reaction video. Once again, this is DJP Diwata saying I love you all and God bless. Thank you.